We talked yesterday, I think Mike mentioned this, about how we go to market with our partners. The very first step is identifying a vertical. Rather than running generic campaigns targeted at everybody, we found the most successful part is when you're able to identify a vertical. It could be hospitality, it could be government, and then after you identify the vertical, we tailor it to the segment. You know, we keep talking about how the large enterprise has very different requirements than the small and medium business. And when you look at the classification, the micro business is another interesting one from what its needs are. The next step in the journey is to actually pick a specific persona that you want to target. IT buyers are very different from business buyers. They speak a different language, they have different needs, and that's another area that we focus on. The next stage in the process is to actually customize the content. We provide, as part of the Powered by BroadSoft program, several out-of-the-box campaigns, but we customize it specific to the channel partner. Here what we're doing is customizing it based on your brand, your positioning, and your messaging. After we've customized it, we run the campaign. Here BroadSoft could either run the campaign for you, or in a lot of cases, we run it in conjunction with the channel partner in a collaborative manner. And then the last step is the most important part of any digital campaign or any digital program, is driving the leads that can then be converted by the channel partner to drive revenue. So let me show you how we use our digital platform built on top of our BroadCloud CSS to do this process with the channel partner. Alec, let's go to, there you go. Sandy is actually showing you now a microsite. You know, I think Scott talked about how our BroadCloud Channel Platform is capable of generating microsites. And what we do with our partners is we give each of you a customized, personalized microsite that walks you through everything that is available as part of the Powered by BroadSoft program. So what you're seeing here on this microsite is an overview. And Sandy, can we scroll down? Great. The first thing you see is a campaign toolkit. We provide to each partner a toolkit with all of the assets that we have. And what Sandy's showing is it's every digital asset. Could be an e-guide, could be an infographic, it could be white papers that we've actually developed. It's some of the content that we've generated working over the last several years. And then we work with you to share this in your toolkit. Some of you have expressed a desire to work on social media campaigns. So we give you tips and tricks on how to work with Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn, where we work with some of you. When we scroll down, Sandy, the next step is actually planning the campaign. How do we create a campaign that we can work with you on? And a key element of this is how do we define success? Everything about digital is metrics and performance. The difference between a traditional channel program and a digitally focused program is having the ability as partners between BroadSoft and you to measure our success. And then we get to the stage where we customize it. The final step, of course, is running the campaign. Most of our campaigns vary anywhere from 3 weeks to 3 months. Some of them are ongoing campaigns that can go for about 6 months.